Transform your experience with Arkansas Tech University. At ATU, we're proud of our commitment to changing lives through education. ATU is the #1 choice for students in Arkansas who choose to study science, technology, engineering, and math. We awarded the second highest amount of healthcare degrees in the state, and we were named a top 25 best bang for the buck in the region. Getting connected at ATU is easy. We offer more than 160 student organizations to help you build your squad. Whether it's a club for your major, intramural sports, or student government, you have options. Joining clubs at ATU will help you bond with students, faculty, and staff who share your interest. But you'll also get to know those who have vastly different experiences. That connection is what we call the Tech family, and it's what students say is their favorite part of ATU. ATU residence halls are a great way to feel at home at ATU. They offer special social activities and amenities to help transform your neighbors into friends who can support you during your time at ATU. Resident hall perks include instant connections with special events for each hall, amenities like free Wi-Fi, IPTV, and laundry facilities. With 13 halls to choose from, you might select your residence hall by location. For instance, do you want to live near your academic building, close to the center of campus, or close to the athletic fields? You might also choose your hall based on your bathroom style. The options include suite-style bath, private bathrooms, private community bathrooms, or community bathrooms. Make sure to visit the Residence Life website to see videos of each type of option. ATU also has living learning communities in several of the halls. These students share a similar focus with all the other residents and get to engage in special programs, dedicated study spaces, and networking. Need we say more? ATU offers several options including slim chickens, and we proudly serve Starbucks. Plus, there are 5 multiple eateries across campus to fuel your appetite. Russellville, or as we call it, Russ Vegas, is a connected community. Each fall, Russellville paints the town green and gold to support ATU students. And with art walks, community pep rallies, and Fall Fest, there is plenty to see and do in Russ Vegas. With over 150 miles of trails and countless waterways within an hour of campus, you'll see firsthand why Arkansas is the natural state. Plus, ATU has free outdoor equipment rentals to let you enjoy our state when you want to take a break from the books. Most college students change their major, so if you're not sure what to study, that's A-OK. Arkansas Tech has more than 150 majors and an advising center dedicated to helping you decide what you want to study. ATU students can travel the world and learn about new opportunities through studying abroad. This summer, our students spent a month teaching in Austria and learning about literary pursuits in London. Grit and determination can take you a long way. Add in some ingenuity and you could be like the ATU engineering students who built a car with a fuel efficiency of 993 miles per gallon. That car placed in the top 3 in the U.S. at the Shell Eco Marathon, and the students are gearing up to do it again. And you might have heard about our music program. This spring, the ATU Symphonic Wind Ensemble and the ATU Choir will be performing at the iconic Carnegie Hall. It's another example of how ATU students are studying beyond the books. ATU is willing to invest in you because we know your education helps us meet our goal of transforming our state, region, and world. 80% of all our ATU students receive financial aid, and ATU awarded more than $81 million in aid last year. Make sure you visit atu.edu/scholarships to learn more. ATU also has additional scholarships available through the Arkansas Tech Foundation. You can apply for these scholarships by visiting atualumni.com. When we say we've got your back, we mean it. ATU offers free tutoring in numerous subjects to help you ace college algebra, biology, or another tough class. Part of college success is staying physically and mentally healthy. The ATU Health and Wellness Center provides healthcare services, counseling, and numerous wellness programs to help you during your time at ATU. Plus, ATU is here to help you land a job after you graduate. With career coaching and resume workshops and numerous career fairs, you'll be prepared for your career. And we know campus safety is important to you. That's why the Department of Public Safety has 24-hour staffing to support students. Whether you need a lift on campus after dark, your car won't start, or you want to take a self-defense class, the ATU Department of Public Safety is here for you. It's time to talk a little more about ATU athletics. ATU are champions on and off the field. Our NCAA Division II teams have won 122 championships. But they're also great supporters of the community. Last year, ATU Athletics was #1 in the country among all Division II schools for community service. That commitment to Arkansas Tech and our community means our teams are champions long after the final buzzer. The words "Fight On" are the first 2 words in the fight song, but they also represent grit and determination that our student athletes have. Even Jerry the Bulldog, our campus ambassador, has a great fight-on spirit and never gives up.